Today, as I was navigating on the internet,
They look so good, so delicious. Look at that buttermilk pancake one.
oh man, should I get it? What do I do?
I do have some cravings for a chocolate chip cookie. This is so hard.
They're full of sugar.
They're not keto.
Oh no.
What should I do? I want cookies, man.
I got an idea. Yeah, so you know what? Now we're gonna make these right here.
This is the copycat for the chocolate chip Crumbl cookie.
Let's make this happen. Let's go. We're gonna start with some brown stevia and butter. We'll mix it with the hand mixer. Let's see what happens.
Nah, that didn't work. Let me use this fork.
And you're gonna mix it till it looks like this. And then we're gonna add some vanilla extract. How much? Just a little bit like that. And then we're gonna mix it.
Mix it. And then what?
Also add some salt, of course. In this case I use pink salt, then some baking soda. Mix that. 1 egg. I ain't too good at cracking them, but Chef Vega makes it happen. And you're gonna mix this with the hand mixer. Some almond flour, some coconut flour. Let's go mix that. It's raining. Ooh, make it rain. Make chocolate chips. And then you're gonna mix it again and again. It's all about the mixing, baby. Mix it till it look like this. This beautiful, baby.
And then you gotta scoop it.
Oh yeah, like this. Cookie number 1, cookie number 2.
What's next?
Once you got your cookies ready, you put them in the oven for 5 minutes at 350.
350, you heard?
You're gonna take them out and flatten them, smash them, so they could get the cookie shape. Making cookies, not
After you put them in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes,
till they're golden like this.
you're gonna turn them around
and then wait another 2 minutes.
2 minutes. It's done, baby. And this is very important. Get a cooling rack and let them rest there for a bit.
Yeah, baby. And we have the final results here. Look at these beautiful cookies.
What a beauty. Nice melted chocolate inside.
Oh yeah, baby. Finally, I got my hands on you.
I'm about to devour this.